ready for tomorrow's game?
Yes, I'm ready for tomorrow's game.
Yo creo que al final el entrenador de Bengaluru sabrá cómo jugamos nosotros sabremos cómo juega Bengaluru, todos nos vamos a ir conociendo poco a poco y todos los equipos sabemos cómo juegan los otros equipos. Lo importante es tener las ideas claras y saber lo que uno tiene que hacer para que su equipo sea lo más fuerte posible y poder conseguir buenos resultados. Yo tengo clara cuál es nuestra idea y cómo tenemos que trabajar para intentar pues mañana conseguir un buen resultado hasta el que yo consiga.
Bengaluru knows how we play, we know how Bengaluru plays, every other team in ISL knows how each other plays. So, you know, we all know how each other will play, but for me what's important is that we maintain our idea, our philosophy and our style of playing. We need to focus more on ourselves and ensure that we execute what we plan to do. With regards to Bengaluru, they're a strong team, in my opinion, till this point in time. In the 2 games that they have played, they've shown that they're the team with the best form. They've shown that they are the strongest team so far. And for us, it will be important to ensure that we get a result against the team that I consider the most superior so far that we've seen in ISL.
En la última charla antes del partido.
I'm very happy with the work that the Indian players did in the last match. I was satisfied with the performance of all of the Indian players who played in defence. And with regards to whether we'll be playing tomorrow, the first people to know about my team will be my players. I'm not going to announce the first 11 here in the press, nor am I going to announce it to anyone else. The last team talk that we had before the match is when I'm going to tell the players who's playing and who's not.
Pero yo no señalaría a Katimani como el único responsable de la derrota del Mumbai.
I don't agree with you. The reason I don't agree with you is because when we win as a team, we do it together. When we lose, we do it together. And if you start looking for individual errors, there were plenty that we could have highlighted. In the first half, you know, we had a chance when it was a one-on-one situation. If we finished that opportunity, it would have been a different scoreline. But no one's ever going to mention those points because the goalkeeper's mistakes are a lot more evident.
Yo creo que el ser capitán o no ser capitán no afecta para que un jugador juegue o no juegue, ¿no? Yo creo que aquí en Goa ha habido capitanes que no han jugado, ¿no? Entonces, el hecho de ser capitán no te garantiza nada, simplemente es una elección por parte de sus compañeros, es mi política a la hora de elegir a los capitanes. Yo creo que representan al grupo y el grupo es el que los elige. Hay 4 capitanes y el hecho de ser capitán no creo que sea un condicionante para jugar. El resto de porteros tienen que trabajar y tienen que saber que pueden jugar en cualquier momento. Yo no he dicho que mañana vaya a jugar Katimani, yo he dicho que tengo plena confianza en él, pero veremos qué portero decidimos que juega.
Tomorrow being the first opportunity for us to showcase, you know, what we're all about, what this team is all about. So we try and put on the best possible show for them, try and entertain them. Because my aim is to ensure that when the fans go back home happy, they're happy with the result and the way we play. We hope that, you know, through the long season there'll be good moments and bad moments, and we hope that we'll do this all together.
Who has a Catalan coach who has been also in the same team as me in Barcelona, so we have a very similar idea of football, possession, press high, so this is the things that I think they have shown also in their 2 games. I think also that Goa has, for me, impressed me more than any other team. Even if they lost the last game and they were really unlucky, they deserve to get some points, perhaps even a win. But yes, football is not easy, and sometimes it happens. But I think Sergio Lobera is making a very good job, and I'm sure that it's one of my favorites, you know, to be in the 4 teams that they will achieve semi-finals. It's really tough. I mean, Goa has shown a lot of skills. They have a very good Spanish player, with some other foreigner that makes, you know, this team one of the favorites to win the title. So we know that even from the beginning, and we will be ready for tomorrow for a big battle. And well, we will try, you know, to do our best, and let's see what it happens.